Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to block spam comments on Pinterest. So once you build up a bit of a following and start getting quite a few monthly views on Pinterest, you might start noticing that you get a lot of spam comments. That's what I've noticed anyway. So I'll show you what I mean. So spam comments like this who are mentioning someone on Telegram, talking about how their financial difficulties have been solved, basically just encouraging someone to go and check out their Telegram thing, but it's basically just spam. When you click onto these accounts, you can see they're not using Pinterest for what it should be used for. They're just like accounts that are built basically to spam people. What I have been doing, I usually just block them by clicking on the three dots and clicking block. But what I've realized is these spammers create tens or hundreds of new accounts every day. So even if you block one, you'll still get another 3, 4, 10 spam comments the next day with new spam accounts. So that wasn't really working. It gets a bit frustrating. So I'll show you what I've been doing to block these spammers or stop the spam comments without just blocking every new account. So from your Pinterest account, you want to click on the top right hand corner and then click on settings. Then on the left-hand side, scroll down to social permissions. Then we're going to scroll down to the section where it says comments. So you could just turn off comments on your pins if you want to block all comments, but I kind of like some people who, normal people being able to comment. So I don't want to totally turn off comments just because of these spammers. So what you can do, you can filter comments on your pins. So you can hide comments from pins you created that contain specific words or phrases. So what I've started doing is adding block words into this box here. So words that the spammers are using, I'm starting to put in here so their comments will be blocked. So let me see what new ones here. So they find new ways around this by adding like spaces into their words and stuff like that. So I'm just going to keep adding these words and keep adding them to my blocked list. So I'm going to add that in. Let's have a look at this other spam comment I've got. So favorable minor. So add that to my block list. So you need to put like a little comma separating the words you want to be blocked. I'm going to block that one as well. So see if there's any others. I've added those to my block list, and then all you need to do is click save. So if they use these words again in comments, they should be blocked, so they won't be shown, so the spam won't be shown on your pins. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.